In this video series, I'm going to show you how to build your own passive house-style smart eco cabin, which has been carefully architected to maintain a comfortable 20 degrees Celsius internal temperature while using no heating system other than the waste heat from the typical household appliances like the fridge and water heater. It does this by being extremely well insulated and airtight, using solar gain and shielding to make use of the sun to regulate the temperature, and a low-cost homemade heat recovery ventilation system to recover over 90% of the heat from the humid exhaust air and transferring it into the fresh incoming air, all intelligently controlled using low-cost sensors and freely available software. The cabin will therefore maintain a comfortable temperature, even when it is near freezing outside without any energy bills for heating whatsoever. In the second phase of the project, solar panels are added and a homemade rainwater harvesting and purification system, which more cover the energy and water requirements of the building, making it almost self-sufficient and with a low carbon footprint. Please subscribe to this series for further instructional videos.